See this plaque? It says Lillie Langtry lived here. Actress, beauty, king's mistress. But what if I told you it might be in the wrong place? Lillie Langtry, the woman who bewitched 19th century England. Born on the island of Jersey, she conquered London's salons and captured the heart of King Edward VII. But did she really live in this house? What suggests that the plaque may not be accurate to the location? The Red House was built in 1877 by Emily Langton Langton, with the initials ELL on the foundation stone referring to her, not Lillie Langtry. Archival research, including the Prince of Wales's diaries, found no evidence that Edward VII visited or had ties to the site. In the 20th century, marketing efforts falsely promoted the hotel as Langtry's former residence, despite no historical basis. So what do you think? Was this really Lillie Langtry's home? Or should the plaque be placed somewhere else? Or does the truth lie somewhere in between? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you soon.